Hello everybody, this is Zach, or Goose732. This video is for Green Belt Lock. It is a MasterLock. It is a 6835, and it was sent to me by the original soft picker. It's a 5-pin lock. Works with a key, and 2 keys, and here. Keys right there. I'm gonna go top the keyway with, I think it's what, 20 thousandths. We're going to do the long end, short end's just a little short. We're going to do very light tension. And we're going to use snake rake, but I'm going to use it as single pin. All right. 1, 2, click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 4, click out of 5. And come back to the front. Nothing. That's not 2. 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. I'm not feeling anything. Oh, there it goes. What? I don't know what happened here. I over-rotate it? What's going on here? Okay. You guys saw that. The thing spun all the way around. Let's do that one more time. Alright. Click out of 1. Small click. Small click out of 2. Small click out of 3. Small click out of 4. Come back to the front. Oh, bigger click out of 1. And rotation. Click out of 2. Oh. Oh, there it is. Alright, we're going to get a turn this time. There it is. Alright, let's gut this guy. Oops. Alright, pull my stuff up. Still in focus here. Scoot my mat over. Alright. Phillips head screw. There we go. Alright. Looks like we're good. There's the lock. There's the 2 front pieces and screw. Put the lock body right there. Keep there. Alright. Take this clip off real quick. There's a clip. So use our plug follower. Push everything out. Alright. I got our pins. Let's drop these down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no, it's pinned for 6, but there's only 5. I'll put the core over here. No counter milling on the core. Let's get all these pins turned the right way. Okay. Let's push those down a little more. Since this is the back, there shouldn't be anything in 6. All right. We're going to go backwards by. Okay. There's that pin. And a spring. Pin and a spring. And a spring. Pin. There you go. Spring and this one. Oh. And spring. Okay. Just grab tweezers and put you guys in your right spots. Alright. All right, let's bring you guys in for a closer look at this so you can see. Come on, focus. Okay, what's your deal? Okay. For some reason, I can't get it to focus. What the fuck? What the hell? Okay. So I don't know if you guys can tell. This is as close as I can get for some reason right now. So we've got springs, we've got the front 4 are spools, and the last one on the back is a serrated. It's got 2 lines, very small lines on it. And then there's no security on any of the key pins. That's as close as I can get. There was no milling on the inside edge. I can't get a close enough view for some reason. It's probably because I have it set to something. Oh, wait, hold on. Nope, wait. Now I've messed with the color. There we go. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to put it back together real quick. Hopefully we can keep this under 10 minutes. All right. So follower, so like this. Let's start with springs again. All right, how to get my direction correct. Let's do it, spring. Why are you trying to somersault away? Just go right there. Okay. Spring 2. Spring 3. Spring 4. And spring 5. The springs are in. So now we'll drop in our pins. Once we set our Yes, number 4. 3, 2, and 1. I'm just gonna drop these back in real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Put the key in. Make sure that the key pins are good. Not clean. We're going to keep it straight, but at a slight angle because this hole on the back side is still filled. Oh, there we go. Throw this back in a little quick. Thought I had a beer. I do not have a beer. I need to get a beer. All right. There we go. Front piece. Cap. Nope. Come on now. Why are you being a pain? Cap. Drop on that screw. Screwdriver. There we go. Oh. There we go. Always do a lefty loosey before you go righty tighty to make sure you're not cross threading. We'll check it before we lock it. Lock it. All right, that is my submission for my green belt. Thanks, guys. Have a good time. Stay legal. Keep picking.